Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix OneDrive stuck on processing changes in OneDrive app at 2025. So why OneDrive gets stuck on processing changes? This usually happens because of a corrupted or unsupported file, very large files or videos, poor internet or background restrictions, low storage on the phone or the OneDrive storage, app cache, sync token issues, etc. So to fix that problem, you will need at first to keep the app open and check the internet, because OneDrive processes files only while active on phones. So you will need to open the OneDrive and keep it open for 2 to 5 minutes, and at the same time switch to a stable Wi-Fi. Even you can turn the airplane mode on and then off, and trust me, that helps a lot. After that, you will need to check which file is blocking sync. One bad file can freeze everything. So you will need to go to files, and to do that you will need to tap on files from here, okay, and look for items with spinning circle, processing, uploading, extra. So you can find them on my files section or shared, okay. So then just tap the file and tap on retry upload, and if it won't move, rename, move or delete that file temporarily, okay. So you have 3 options. If it won't move, you can rename that folder, move that folder, or delete it, okay. The third option is to pause and resume sync. This refreshes the sync engine. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.